Alright, we got a fluctuating thermostat. Should be at 180 thermostat. Looks like we're encroaching at the half. So usually it goes to the quarter, or just below, or just above, but not close to half. So yeah, let's change her. Engine's cooled down. It's about to rain. We have our Mopar 416 180 thermostat replacement. Just need a ratchet, extension, and a 13mm. 2 bolts. Here's it located right off the passenger side of the water pump. One here, one back. The bleeder where you would be is with from here. Looks like it's self-bleeding for the 6.4. So this is where the bleeder would be. Okay. Let's do that. Just loosen it up a bit. Now we're gonna bleed it through the thermostat housing. So right there. Okay. There you go. It's probably gonna bleed out really hot. Get our, you can use pliers, any kind of pliers. There we are. Okay. Get our new one. Right here. Make sure the hole is looking at the 12 o'clock position. Alright. Make sure the gasket's good. See how it stops any of the coolant coming out? Okay. Add some coolant. See how it comes out of there? There you go. Alright. Now let's close that up. That over here. Put this baby in. Let's do the bottom one first. Hardest to get to. Actually, bam. Don't drop the bolt. Okay. Again, the bleeder hole for a 5.7 or 6.1 would be here. You would unscrew that, and then you would fill your reservoir until it would be dripping out of here. Alright. Remember, it's aluminum housing, so it's not that much torque. Just kind of snug tight that. Okay. Okay. Fill this up. Okay, let's give her a start. Put this away. I like to use the gasket. It wasn't leaking, right? It was failing, so the gasket was fine. Let's put that away. Alright. Okay, good, good, good. We just took 2 of these out. Alright. Give it a start. Now we're gonna let it run, get it up to temp. If there's any issues, right, it would explode in the driveway. Okay. Right now we're kind of like burping it a bit. So this bleeder, it's like a self bleeder. So, alright, let it circulate. Yeah. We're just allowing the system to burp itself a little bit more efficiently. If there's any air, it should be popping up at some point. There you go, see? See these burpy boys? Just give it a moment. Boom, another one. The thing we are doing is watching the temp, that it's not, see that temp? Still good. Okay. Yeah, let it burp. There you go. See? Boom. Now, since it burped, let's go and add a bit more. Okay. Bring our coolant with us. Alright. Look at that. Look at that temp. Clean. So supposedly, so this is 2019 Jeep, but these supposedly these are self-bleeding coolant systems. I don't really technically believe in that. I think you could burp them out. I think small pockets arise. Alright, let's see this. See that? See that temp? Stuck. That's where it's supposed to be for a 180 thermostat. Here we go. Like I said, that is beauty right there. That's exactly where it should be sitting. Okay. Let's go check for leaks. Any leaks? No leaks. Any leaks? No leaks. Looks good. Alright, so that is how we change the thermostat on a HEMI. Same procedure, 5.7, 6.4, 6.2s. Same general procedure. The only thing different would be the bleeder. Okay, it would some of them have the screw hole, and this one is a self bleeder, but we burped it, so it's all good. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.